everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the engine air filter on a 2025 Toyota RAV4. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the hood and locate the engine air filter housing. It's positioned at the front on the driver's side. You'll see 2 clips and 1 latch on top. Release the 2 clips. You may need to use a bit of force and pull them up and outward. Next, you'll see the old engine air filter inside. Go ahead and pull out the old filter. Oh my God! This old engine air filter definitely needs a replacement. Now place in the new FreshenOPT engine air filter. Align it properly with the latch and lock the clips back into place. Super easy. Thank you for watching. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for life plus free surprise kits. Link in description.